If you saw a title like this online, you'd probably assume one of two things. Either it's fake or it's crypto gambling. But the truth is actually less exciting and much more repeatable. Because I don't make money from luck. I make money from systems. And once you understand this difference, your entire view of income changes. Most people try to earn more money by working harder, more hours, more effort, more stress. But income doesn't scale with effort. Income scales with leverage. There are only 4 real ways to make money. You trade time, you trade skill, you trade audience, or you trade systems. The first 2 cap your income. The last 2 multiply it.
My weekly income didn't jump because I found a secret method. It jumped because I stopped selling my time. Instead, I built assets that work whether I wake up or not.
Let me explain the structure. I don't rely on one source of income. I stack 3 layers. First, attention. Every week, thousands of people search online for solutions to problems they already have. Financial decisions, tools, services, comparisons. Instead of creating random content, I create content aligned with decisions people are about to make anyway. This means I'm not convincing, I'm helping choose.
Second, trust. Once people consistently get value from you, they stop seeing you as content and start seeing you as a filter. You become the person who simplifies decisions, and decisions are where money moves.
Third, monetization. Here's the part most people misunderstand. I don't sell expensive products. I position myself between a customer and a company that already profits when the customer acts. When someone opens an account, signs up for a service, or chooses a financial tool, the company pays for the introduction. Not once, but continuously. So instead of earning $50 from one person working 1 hour, I earn smaller amounts from thousands of decisions already happening every day. That's why income becomes weekly instead of monthly. The goal is not viral content. The goal is useful traffic. Because a video watched by the right 5,000 people is worth more than a video watched by the wrong 500,000. And here's the most important part. This didn't start at $100,000 per week. At the beginning, it was closer to $7 a day. But systems compound. A video made once can help people for years. A good guide can be discovered daily, and each helpful piece stacks on the previous one.
Eventually, effort stays the same, but output multiplies. So the real lesson isn't the number. It's understanding that income grows fastest when you stop asking, how can I work more? And start asking, what can work without me? Because money follows value. But scalable money follows structure. And once you build structure, income stops being unpredictable. It becomes math.